beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make a DIY dress inspired by Kendall Jenner after party dress. And I'm going to use an oversized shirt from Ukay Ukay. So without further ado, let's start this video.
Hello everyone, this is the oversized shirt from Ukay Ukay and I'm going to remake this into dress. Since natamad tayo gumawa ng pattern, I'm just going to use my crop top from Shopee. As you can see, this will be the pattern for my top. After cutting, fold the fabric and you can start cutting your top pattern. Now we're done on top pattern. We're going to the bottom pattern, which is the skirt. And the skirt part is so easy to make because you don't need the pattern. You just have to cut a straight line and sew, then that's it. After we cut all the patterns, the next process of course is it's time for sewing. On this process, I'm just sewing all the edges. Now we're done sewing the edges of the top. I'm going to create lines and cut the center of the top. As you can see, I fold the clothes. It's not like in Kendall Jenner dress that it's like perfectly cut. I did this because I don't have that much boobies, so yeah, that's funny. And I put pearls in every cut, so like a little bit, style on it. And for the next step is the skirt. I will just do the same thing with the top, sew all the edges, and then I will put two cuts for the design, and I will put pearl on it. here's the finished product and let's try it on.
It's so dark,